Hello everybody, how you doing? This is Fahad and this video is about the fonts in CSS. Choosing the fonts for the website has a huge impact on the experience of the readers. So choosing the right font is really important. The things that we will learn in this video: font family, web safe fonts, and font style, font size, and how to write a shorthand font. So first of all, we have to learn about the web safe fonts. What are the web safe fonts? These are the fonts that are universally installed across all the browsers and the devices. So here is a list of some web safe fonts. Alright, you can look at this link and these are the best web safe fonts. Alright, so we have a basic structure file of the HTML. I have written a paragraph. Now I have to put the properties, okay, the text properties of the paragraph. So first of all, we have to choose font family. In font family, I would like to add the Guild Sans. Let me just run this. Okay, you can see here that we are having a bunch of other fonts as well, like Calibri, Trabant, MS, and Sans Serif. Okay, these are the backup fonts and we call them the fallback fonts. Okay, if the primary font of your document doesn't work on a browser, so these fonts will be used when your primary font is not working on that browser. So that is the font family, and we have discussed the web safe fonts, and we have to talk about the font style right now. Okay, so in font style we have the different things. You can change your font to the italic, normal, italic, oblique. I want to go with the normal for now. So these are the font styles. We also have the font variant. We have the normal and we also have the small cap. So this is how the small cap work. Okay, so we also have the font variant. You can put it lighter, bolder, bold. You have these different values. So I just want to go with the bold. Okay, it makes my text look bold. Now we have the font size. So I just want to change the font size of my text. It would be 30 pixel. Alright, so there are the different ways of giving the font size values. One is that simple pixels, and you can also use the EM, 1 EM, and 1 EM is equal to 16 pixels. Alright, so you can use the EM if you want. I just want to use it for now for 2. But if you want to have the responsive text, then you have to use the VW. VW stands for viewport width. Alright, you can change the value. Okay, so this is kind of responsive. If I just change the size of it, it will be kind of responsive. Okay, see. Okay, so 1 VW is equal to the 1% of the viewport width. Okay, so this is how you size your font, and now we have to shorthand our font code. So for doing the shorthand, you have to delete all this. You have to use the font property. Alright, and font property you have to give 20 px size. Now I have to add the font family. It would be the Arial, and I also want to give it italic. You have to give it before the font value. You can give it an italic value, and you can also give it a bold value if you want to have a bold value. So this is how you shorthand your font code, and this is all for this video. If you really find it useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.